Hello there, I'm Alex. In this short video, I'll be presenting an introduction about C programming. I made a simple program for adding two numerical values. Here's how it works. In line number 1, it says hashtag include studio.h. In a C program, all lines that start with a hashtag are processed by the preprocessor, which is a program invoked by the compiler. In a very basic term, preprocessor takes a C program and produces another C program. The produced program has no lines starting with a hashtag. All such lines are processed by the preprocessor. In the example above, or in this, the screen, the preprocessor copies the preprocessed code of studio.h to our file. The .h files are header files in C. These header files generally contain declaration for functions. We need studio.h for the function printf, which is used in most programs. In the second line, it says it's coded int main. There must be a starting point from where execution of compiled C program begins. In C, the execution typically begins with the first line of main. The int written before the main indicates the return type of main. The value returned by the main indicates the status of the program termination. So everything below the third line is part of the int main function. So in the fourth line, the code declares that x, y, and z are integers. In line number 5, scanf, it says that it asks the user for an input. The symbol over here, which is the $d, is actually a placeholder for the variable, because the scanf function cannot receive directly on a variable, so it's usually held by the $d. So in line number 6, I declare the value of z, which is the sum of x and y. In line number 7, I output the sum of z. In line number 8, there is an if statement. The if statement is a condition where if the condition is met, everything under the condition will be executed. So if z is equal to 10, it would print this message over here. And then we go to the 10th line, which is the return. The return statement returns the value from the main. The return value may be used for operating systems to know the termination status of your program. The value 0 typically means a successful termination. And that's all I have for this video.